There are several factors to consider when trying to determine the best Android phone for your needs. Here are some steps you can follow. 1. Set your budget. Determine how much you are willing to spend on a new phone, as this will help narrow down your options. 2. Research latest models. Look for the most recent Android phone releases from reputable manufacturers such as Samsung, Google, OnePlus, Xiaomi, or LG. Research their specifications, features, and reviews to get an idea of what each model offers. 3. Consider your needs. Think about your specific requirements for a smartphone. Do you need a high-quality camera, long battery life, a large screen, or specific software features? Make a list of your priorities to help guide your decision-making process. 4. Read expert reviews. Check out reviews from reputable technology websites, or watch video reviews to get insights from experts who have tested and compared different Android phones. They often highlight the pros and cons of each device. 5. Read user reviews. Look at user reviews on e-commerce websites or forums to get a sense of customer satisfaction, common issues, or additional features that might not be highlighted in expert reviews. 6. Compare specifications. Compare the specifications of different Android phones, such as the processor, RAM, and aligned with your needs. 7. Visit physical stores if possible. If you can, visit a store to see and hold the phones you are considering. Check factors like the size and feel of the device, screen quality, and the responsiveness of the user interface. 8. Consider software updates. Android updates are important for security patches and new features. Ensure that the phone you choose has a good track record of receiving timely updates. 9. Seek recommendations. Ask friends, family, or colleagues who use Android phones for their recommendations or experiences. They may be able to provide valuable insights based on their usage. 10. Compare prices. Once you have narrowed down your choices, compare prices from different retailers or online platforms to ensure you are getting the best deal. By following these steps and considering your personal preferences, you can make an informed decision and choose the best Android phone for your needs.